Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is about how to make at least $100 a day using CRT, which is candle range theory. So I'm gonna just show you a setup every day which happens in GU or EU. For this video purposes, I'm using GU to show you candle range theory, which happens every day. So, according to your budget, according to your account size, or according to your prop firm account size, I'm sure you could make at least $100 a day. So, let's say, for example, your account size is 5,000 US dollars. So, you're going to risk 1% of your account to make at least a 1 is to 1 RR, a minimum 1 is to 1 RR. So let me show you the possibilities which you have in a day. So this is GU. So if you look at the daily chart, you could see that we have taken previous day low, which is over here. You could see the daily low has been taken, and also you could see that we have a fair value gap in between here. So that is a key level. So something which you have to note down is when you have a key level, you could always look for a setup. That is something which I call an A plus setup. If you don't have a key level, you could still take it, but this is high probability setup. So this is an FEG over here, which you could see here. This is an FEG. So today's daily has tapped into this FEG, and it has to move up. It has to push up if it is going to respect this FEG. So if you go to the lower time frame, which I'm talking about, the possibilities which you have every day. So as you know, a daily candle consists of 6 4-hour candles. So at the moment, you could see we are printing the 1 a.m. candle. This is the 1 a.m. candle. It has 43 minutes to close. And this looks like a big candle range. And it has also purged into the daily FEG, which I drew just now. And we have a nice candle range over here. So you could just wait for this candle to finish, and the next candle will open and take the low of 1 a.m. candle, which is 5 a.m. will open and take the 1 a.m. low and will close in that range. So this happens every single day, like, guys. If you could notice back tested or forward tested, you can definitely see at least one candle range inside where you will see the next candle will close inside and the next candle will push up. So for example, let me show you yesterday. So this was yesterday's candle. You could see here. This was yesterday's candle. I'll mark these two. So you could see here. This 1 a.m. candle was closed, and the next candle closed inside of this 1 a.m. candle. So this 5 a.m. candle closed inside, and you know what happened? It went to the drawn liquidity, which is over here. So this was a perfect CRT setup yesterday. So this is how it happens, guys. Either you see mostly on a 1 a.m. candle, and the 5 a.m. will take the high, which is the manipulation candle. And this third candle will be the distribution candle. But yesterday, it took one, third, four, five, six, seventh candle, it hit the drawn liquidity. So you could see that this setup works every single day. But but for a safer side, for a better win rate, I would suggest you to take 50% of the range, take partials. So which is if you had entered on the third candle, which is this one, this candle, you could definitely take partials on this 50% of the range. But if you hadn't taken it, if you had hold with break even stop loss, your drawn liquidity is here. So you would have got a better RR, which is, let's say you entered somewhere over here on the third candle and your stop loss above that. And look at the drawn liquidity is here. Okay. And see, you get a risk to reward 1:2, guys. So if you risk $100, you're gonna make $200 in this trade. Just risking by $100, you make 200, which is you risk $1 to make $2 according to your account size. So this is what I'm talking about. So this setup happens every single day, guys. Every single day on GU and EU. So for this video purposes, I'm showing you on GU. So right now, if you see, we are having a nice 4-hour candle over here, which is the 1 a.m. candle. And I'm expecting the 5 a.m. candle to soup this 1 a.m. candle and close inside. If not, let's say if the 5 a.m. candle is an inside bar, then I would expect the 9 a.m. candle to take the liquidity below, which is the manipulation candle, and then New York will distribute towards the drawn liquidity. And note down, this is also on the daily range. So this is a daily range. So if we are going to close above, I'm sure the next candle, which is the next daily candle, is going to come down and go up to the drawn liquidity above, which is over here, which is this one. So imagine the risk to reward you get for this single setup. Let me show you the risk to reward. Let's say somewhere you enter somewhere over here, and I don't know, depending upon your model 1 or model 2 or model 3 entry, you're gonna get a good setup, guys. Look at the risk to reward. Look at this. It's 1:6, guys. It's crazy. But I don't want you to take it till there. I want you to close it in the 50% of the range. In this way, you're gonna get a perfect 1-to-1 or max 1-to-2, and your win rate is gonna be perfect. And in the long run, you're gonna make consistent profits every single day, every week. And I don't think this will stop, guys. This is not gonna stop. So just backtest this. You need much of screen time to notice these patterns. But once you notice these patterns, I'm sure you're gonna make a lot of money on this. So this setup is crazy, guys, just crazy. And a whole lot of credit goes to, I mean, full credit goes to Romeo. I have linked his channel below. Romeo was the one who taught us CRT. So I will always give full credit to him. Without Romeo, we wouldn't be having these kind of setups and how to read the candles. So that is it, guys. I mean, just go practice this. I'm sure you're gonna make a buck every single day, minimum of $100 in a day, minimum. You could make more than that, like I showed you right now. 1:6 reward, 1:2, 1:3. But let's say just 1:1 or 1:2. That's more than enough, guys. That's more than enough for a day. So if you calculate in a month, you are going to be at up around, I don't know, 20% of your account, or maybe even more. So just go practice this, guys. This setup is very powerful, and it works. It works on all the assets. Just go have a look at it. Just back test and also forward test until you find this. And the more you have the screen time, the more you're gonna get this. So I'm sure this is gonna help you in a way to make $100 in a day. And yeah, that's it, guys. Please do let me know in the comments if you want more videos of these, or you want me to do more of these 149 setups. Sorry, 159 setups. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you found something very useful from this video. And don't forget to give me a like if you really like this video. I'm just trying to help you guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace.